Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create database in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Appsheet. And then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, and then just have to sign in if you already have your account. So let me just delete this apps. Okay, and this one as well. So right here beside the apps, you can see the databases. You just have to click on it and you'd be able to see here all of your databases. So for example, this one. Okay, so we have these informations. Now to create this kind of database, all you have to do is to go back to this section and then click on the create option at the top left of your screen. Okay, this one, and then click on the databases and click on new database or import from sheet. So I'm just going to select the new database. Okay, and then once you're done, you'll be able to see here now this layout. So you don't really have to start from scratch since we already have these columns. And then if we need more columns, we just have to add, or if we need more rows, you just have to add a new row. So for the add column section, when you clicked on it, you can put here the title, and then you have to select the type. Okay, so for example, what type this column is. So I'm just going to select long text and click on save after that, and this column will be added. So right here on the first column, which is the title, so if you want to customize this one, all you have to do is to click on the name and then put your own name right here, and then again you just have to select the type. And then for the title, we have the item number 1 to item number 4. If you want to add a new row, just click the shift and enter, or click on the add row section, and you'll be able to see here now that the new row is added. So just have to give it a name. Okay, so the item 1, item 2, item 3 are just examples, but of course you have to input right here the correct title of this data. Okay, and then for the assignee, just have to type out right here the name of the assignee. That's right. And for the status, we have to select in progress, so it's up to you. And then for the date, you just have to select the date. Okay, and then if this data has an update already, so you just have to type it out right here. And if you want to add more columns, for example, you want to add a tag, and then you have to select color for the type, and then select all of the colors that applies. And when you go here, as you can see, when we clicked on this option, we would be able to see here now the different tags or the different colors. Okay, so this colors indicates an information, so it's up to you if how are you going to give them an instruction of what this color means. So it's just very simple to create a database on Appsheet, but you just have to provide all of the important information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.